should make an awesome video and do that.
All right, well, we are got a camera in my face. Well, we are headed up to Cedar Mountain. We're gonna go finish what we started, except for we had a little development overnight. He went up and tried to get it out with his other truck, so now we got his other truck stuck, and it's a brand new Ford F350 mired in the mud. But we have to climb that mountain in front of us, literally straight up the side of that baby on this little mountain road. We're working the crap out of the Duramax to get there, but we're gonna go have a good old time up in the mud on top of the mountain. Hopefully we can get them all out with no problems and get home and chisel the mud out of our tracks. But we're having a good time this morning. We'll take you along for the ride. Should we hook them together and pull them both out at the same time?
Oh, I should make an awesome video and do that.
Think it'll do it? No.
You didn't even bring your mucking boots. I'm wearing your other mucking boots. You can't hardly walk in them until they're
I
giant.
was gonna bring my mucking boots.
It is so much salt.
And you sacrificed
That was an expensive This truck was never designed intended to go off-road. It was supposed to sit in my garage, but well, it's broke in now.
It's broken in now.
It's got 4,200 miles. Paying this truck I never drive it. So. Yeah, I should have just.
Not a payment princess.
It's not a payment princess anymore. Trading it in.
Hey, there's a rope there.
There's a rope there.
I have a 5-ton military truck too, and it will just.
Oh, I looked at your page last night. I want your booster half. Is it booster half?
I have another one. It's a 5-ton. I have another one.
You do?
Yep.
It's in about as good condition as that.
Not as good as that one.
It's not gonna reach, is it?
Oh.
So close.
No.
Nope.
Guess one of
You want to pull me back this way?
Yeah, let's do it. That's a shame. Put it in low.
Low. Okay.
And just
I'm off
kinda-
the hubs.
Kind of give it like just a little throttle, just
Let you
Pump it,
pull
but
and me just
kinda
keep the
just-
wheels going.
Yeah, and you may have to look out to see where your wheels are turning.
Okay.
Because a lot of times people get on there and turn like this, they don't know.
I'll get right underneath you and just pick you up, and then direct pull you forward.
Okay. Okay. That works. And signal right.
like, yeah, I'm stuck, bro.
You know, it's that stubborn pride
Oh, I
thing.
know.
Like,
I know all about
oh, I'm a man. No, I'll get it out. You know. Yeah. The kid you pulled out yesterday's not happy. Everybody. It was a costly weekend, and I wasn't even with him. I just was coming up for a Sunday ride to get to the cabin, take the family there
So that thing
for the first time in
is
years.
definitely stuck. Well, now you got to go back to, what's that place?
I knew yesterday.
Cal
Literally
Ranch.
bought it yesterday.
We go to the cow ranch on Cedar City, and he's just like a kid in a candy store.
It is.
It could be.
I didn't even know they had those. I was just lollygagging down. And I was like, oh.
You're like, ooh, look at that, babe. All right,
I did, and I got it.
let's drag the ropes on.
This next year,
The Nissan, we won't be able to get out.
I'll stuff the bin off.
He
I don't
says,
know. Bought it for the kid.
he says, I don't know if that thing's worth saving. And I says, well, just give me the title. I'll go get it.
I pushed that button. Does it gotta be anything? I pushed that. Ooh.
All right, round two. That was a little stuck, probably more than the Ford.
It was a good
Although we tried to get it stuck really good yesterday, getting it out, didn't we?
I don't even dare fly.
All right, well, we got in there and we're working our way out nice and easy on the dirt road. Duramax on a dirt road, hauling a Nodwell with an excited dog. Hi, Pop. Anyways, we got in there and got him pulled out, no problem. It was a lot of fun, and of course, there's a dog. Hi, the old Nodwell, look at that rock chuck. Anyways, we got that, look at that thing. Look at that thing, get it, Poppy. Good girl. Like I said, that little snowcat is a little tinker toy compared to this Nodwell, but it is definitely the right tool for the job. You can get up there and get the job done without tearing up the countryside. Top of the world. If I have any brakes left when we get down, I'll be amazed. Well, that was quite the trip. We made it up there with the Nodwell and pulled that Ford out, and then we snuck back over there and got the Nissan pulled out and worked our way back across the flats there and got the Nodwell loaded. We're working our way down off the top here and got the exhaust brake screaming. Yeah, that was a pretty good tow. I would have probably spent a half a day messing around up there with a Jeep or two and tore up the whole countryside, but we was able to get in there and get them pulled out without too much of an issue. So the Nodwell is definitely the tool for the job in situations like that. We're sure blessed and happy to have it. And thanks for coming along for the ride.
Well, 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 Dave. What do we have here?
We blew a tire. Finally. I've been running these tires. They are wonderful. 16 ply, 235, 75, 17 5s. So we're in Cedar City. Gonna see if we can scrounge up a tire either from Rolling Rubber or who
Good
knows where. Goodyear probably. All right, the wind's blowing 100 miles an hour. Welcome to southern Utah. I'm changing that tire and we're gonna air it up and head up the road.